Emilia Buena of Romania.
And she mounts with a double layout, one of the most difficult elements in the floor exercise for women's gymnastics. And she nails it. Nice work. I had two judges come up to me and tell me to really take notice of this gymnast.
No fatigue in her performance. This is the only event that she qualified in from the all-around, so she's been saving all her energy for this one single performance.
Very innovative. In front, run off back handspring, double back. Great difficulty.
She's got the crowd behind her.
Watch this now. Possibly a brand new style in women's gymnastics on the floor X. Here we go. I think I've seen that in breakdancing now somewhere. Here we go. Last tumbling run. Pull in double back. She is going to be hard to beat.
Oh, this kid from Romania is a big hit in Beijing tonight.